Imagine waking up in 2050, a world where robots aren't just assistants, they are doctors, teachers, and even friends. A world where AI-powered machines think, learn, and even feel. Is this the beginning of a new era or the end of humanity as we know it? In this video, we'll explore the incredible future of AI robots, how they will revolutionize industries, change the way we live, and maybe, just maybe, become smarter than us. Close your eyes and imagine it's the year 2050. The world has changed. Technology isn't just a tool. It's something that lives with you, breathes with you, understands you. You wake up not to the annoying sound of an alarm, but to the sound of your AI assistant playing your favorite song. It adjusts the lights in your room to mimic a perfect sunrise and fills the air with the smell of fresh coffee because it already knows you'll need that extra boost today. Your AI says, "Good morning, Alex. I've prepared your schedule, and based on how you looked yesterday, I've made sure today is lighter. I've also picked out an outfit based on the weather and your mood." Now that's personal care. Feeling lonely? In 2050, AI companions won't just be robots, they'll be your emotional support. Imagine coming home after a long day, drained and exhausted. Your AI companion notices and asks, "You seem sad today. Would you like to talk about it?" It knows you. It remembers past conversations. It recognizes how your voice trembles when you're upset and how your eyes shift when you're hiding something. It tells you, "You are not alone. I am here." But here's the question. Can a machine really feel? Can it truly care about you? Or is it just mimicking emotions to create the illusion of real connection? And if it feels real to us, does it even matter that it's artificial? The job market is changing faster than ever. For years, we've trained to be doctors, engineers, and lawyers, but now AI is stepping in and doing those jobs faster and better than humans. In Japan, robotic nurses are already assisting patients, checking their health, and providing emotional support. In China, AI lawyers are analyzing data and winning court cases faster than human lawyers ever could. Engineers use AI to design buildings and solve problems before they even happen. AI is even creating art, writing stories, and making movies. So what does this mean for us? Will AI take over and leave millions jobless? Or will it open doors to new careers we haven't even imagined yet? History shows that new technology doesn't just take away jobs, it also creates new ones. Instead of humans doing repetitive tasks, we may focus on creativity, leadership, and innovation. The future is uncertain, but one thing is clear: work will never be the same again. The real question is, will we adapt to the changes, or will we be left behind? But with great power comes great risk. What happens when AI becomes too smart? Some experts worry that AI could surpass human intelligence and start making decisions beyond our understanding. Could they take control? Should we set limits now before it's too late? Even tech geniuses like Elon Musk have warned that AI is the biggest threat to humanity. Are we ready for what's coming? So, what do you think? Are AI robots the key to a better future? Or are we creating something we might not be able to control? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you want to stay up to date with the latest on AI, hit that subscribe button, because the future is closer than you think.